everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time ever seeing one of my videos. But today we're getting a new deep freezer. Cause I don't know if you watched my last vlog, my last video, well not my last video, but the one before that. We had bought a whole bunch of food because of the government shutdown situation. And being that the FDA is not going to be checking meats and stuff. I mean, I know the government's back up for like 3 weeks, but I don't know what's going to happen after that. So I still wanted to stock up on some meats and things. So we went and purchased, actually my husband went and picked up another deep freezer today from, I think he got it from Lowe's. Well, your nose is running. Go. So he's on his way in the house now. He asked his cousin to help him. So he's about to come in with the deep freezer. Trying to move stuff out the way. He'll move the blanket. We keep a little blanket by our front door because it's so cold all the time. We'll put this over here. But this is where we're going to be putting our deep freezer. So yeah, we're going to have to take a bunch of stuff out of here. But we have one deep freezer in here already. And we have this shelf here. I'm going to stock this with food. And we're going to put the other deep freezer right there. We're going to, these are some shelves we had from our old store. Yeah, so and here's a couple bins that we got to store some stuff in. Yeah, so I had told him to, well, we were going to buy a used one. But all the deep freezers or freezer chests or whatever you want to call them, all the ones we found where people were like overpricing them or they looked rusted and they were very old, so we just decided to go purchase a new one. And I also got my new tripod today. It came in the mail. My tripod was missing forever. As soon as I ordered another one, Big Manny ended up finding the one that I already had.
Mommy, I do.
Look how dry your lips are, Royal. Come here. Watch out, Royal. Well, we got our freezer chest freezer, or whatever it is. It's a Thomson. I never heard of that brand. Come on, let's go look at our new deep freezer.
I didn't even see it. Nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
It doesn't lock. I wanted one that locked. I should have told Manny that.
Yeah, you should.
Watch out.
You can jump on the box.
Watch out.
You can jump on it. It's heavy. I can't jump through that.
Yeah, so this is it. Could you stop jumping on it? You know better, right? Get down, Emmanuel.
You can jump on it.
Do you want your dad to get you?
No.
You know better, right?
I don't see it.
It's just like the other one we have, except it's a little smaller. This is the stuff we got from Dollar Tree.
I haven't seen it before.
Let's see what your dad picked up from Dollar Tree.
Yep.
Manny, I guess they went to get the cases of water.
Yep.
We also went to stock up on like alcohol and stuff like that. I'm just trying to be prepared for whatever, because I don't know what's going to happen and how things are going to be. I mean, I know the world's not getting no better. It's only getting worse, so let me show y'all what we got from Dollar Tree. Open it. Watch out. Could you stop before you knock something down? You know better.
I want some D's.
And you're going to wait because I'm not opening up those. We have a jar of applesauce I'm going to open.
A jar.
I'll get it, Manny.
I never told me that one.
Well, you won't know until you see it. Watch out.
Jump out. Oh. Yeah. I love you, Mom.
I love you too, handsome. I love you too, QC.
Mom, how do you get this?
I ordered it from Amazon.
Oh. Amazon?
Mm-hmm. Put that back up there.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll close it. Oil.
Let's take right here.
What am I doing?
You watch out, son? You sit at the table? I'm gonna tell you, come grab
I ain't got nothing else. Huh? So this is what the inside of the deep freezer looks like. There's a little basket here.
Oh.
Yeah, you still got to clean it out with bleach?
No, I can just wipe it out with a cloth.
So
Yeah. That's our new deep freezer, QC. Yep. Stop. What garbage? In the kitchen? Let me sit this here. A new thing.
It's cool. That's protected. Right, Mom? Hey, it did. I got a new one. Another new one, Mommy.
So we have a new one.
Yeah.
A new deep freezer.
Yeah. I just got two. And now two. Hey, dude! Go fight. Hey, my dad's a fighting, huh? Huh, Mom? You said Mom? Mom said Mom? Mom,
What?
I want some applesauce.
I'm gonna give you some applesauce. Hold on, let me get it.
I'm
Give you
angry.
that.
Angry. I'm angry, handsome man. For him. I posted Mom look at Mom's video because it's weird because Mom is doing something here right now. It's my daddy. But my dad's like there, but my mom's not getting her phone back right now. But I doing her video right now. So look at my sister Oreo. So her is an Ilbar or a pig, sorry. Or a Pablo or Jeremiah. Or a Nana Barry. Or Sir Bobbers. So y'all look at my look at my now look at my and look at my sister Oil and look at my dad too. Look at my dad. See, look at my dad. My dad's doing something. Mom, thank you. He's
I said wait.
This is ours. Bubble bath.
No, is it? Oh, I would. You just brought bubble bath in here. I had Royal and Manny in the top, and I had no bubble bath for them.
Yeah,
And I was like, oh, I gotta get y'all some bubble bath.
I thought about it. I'm like,
Oh, good.
My kids some bubble bath. I ain't see cotton.
All right. Well, if I were out,
Yeah,
we'll get some.
well, we out tomorrow. We'll get some.
Yeah. All right. I love you.
Clean that out when I come in. All right.
I'm gonna wipe it out.
Okay.
All right. I love you. So I'm just gonna show y'all the stuff that Manny picked up today when he was at the Dollar Tree. We had picked up Manny picked up a deep freezer for us so that we can have somewhere to put more meat, so we can stock up on meats. Being that the FDA is not gonna be checking our food and stuff. So, and I wanted to get some other supplies to have just because I wouldn't be stocked up because you never know what's going to happen or how things are going to play out. So he picked up 4 bottles of hydrogen peroxide, 4 bottles of alcohol, 2 packs of soap. We got Zest, cocoa butter, and shea. I've never used this before. This is I don't even use Zest, but you know what? When I don't know how bad things are going to get, and it doesn't matter what kind of soap we have, just as long as we have some soap. And some Dow lavender and Twilight jasmine. I don't think we ever used this. I think just the body wash, right?
Yeah.
I wish he would have had coupons because we could have got these for 50 cents a piece. I picked up a box of Band-Aids, but I'm going to get another box of Band-Aids from Sam's Club. I think the box of Band-Aids from Sam's Club, you get it's like $10. I forget how many Band-Aids come in there because we had it before. But then he picked up this bubble bath for the kids. He got 2 bottles of bubble bath. And this is the Jasmine Blossom scent. And I don't know how well this bubble bath bubbles up. But yeah, it smells alright. It's 32 ounces, and it's by April Bath and Shower. So I know those products aren't very good. But anyway, he picked up a lot of toothpaste. Let's see how many packs of toothpaste he picked up. Are you recording?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
So he got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of Kids Crest, and 4 tubes of Kids Crest and 4 tubes of Colgate. So we got 8 boxes of toothpaste, 8 tubes of toothpaste, I should say. And he picked up some toothbrushes for the kids. So I guess this is Little Manny's Spider-Man one, and he picked up My Little Pony. I guess these are for Royal. And we're still going to have to pick up some more toothbrushes for the rest of us. You don't use those little kid toothbrushes.
I do. I use any kind. Don't matter.
Well, Tia can use one if she needs one.
And I do like My Little Pony.
Yeah, I know. And then I got me a new tripod because my tripod was missing. And as soon as as soon as I ordered me a tripod, like 5-10 minutes later, Manny had looked in the little drawer over there by our TV. And my tripod was down there. So I think this is exactly the one that I already have. The brand is Dish. I thought it was a Faith. I could have swore, or maybe that's the seller's name. But I paid $20.83, I believe, because there was like a 20% off coupon. So that's why it was a little cheaper. And this is the little charger piece here that goes on the front of here, but you have to unscrew this part. God bless you, Royal, in order to slide this out. So I didn't unscrew it. Let me show y'all. Oh, this is taking long, man.
Oh! You got me a new one?
Yeah, your dad got you some new ones.
This is mine.
This is exhausting. But anyway, I don't really want to continue doing that. But yeah, if you unscrew this top part here, you can slide this little, what is this, Tia?
To take a picture.
You get a little piece to take a picture. I never use mine. I need to hook mine up so I can take pictures with it. It would be a lot easier. But yeah, so this is everything that we got today. Yeah, that's handsome. Get your blanket up.
Yes.
Okay.
No more.
Yeah, my kids, they have to read 4 pages a day in order for them to get phone privileges and TV privileges and stuff like that. So, this is Alonjay. This is what she's reading. It's called Skylark. And it's by Patricia McLaughlin. But yeah, I never heard of Skylark. What is this book about, Alonjay?
They're going on a family. There's a family. They're taking pictures and they're getting married. Their parents.
What?
The parents are getting married and they're taking pictures.
Oh, okay. And she got this book from school. Here you go, Lonjay. Let me see, Satia. What are you reading? You tried to run over there so I wouldn't ask you, right? Show us what you're reading.
It says, yes, whatever. Then,
So this is like a Chinese comic book. With, what are these?
they're I thought they have Pokemon cards, but
Something like that. But yeah, so this is what Elijah. This is what Tia's read. This is something Elijah would have read back when she was younger. But she was actually happy when she saw this book, this comic book. But yeah, so this is what Tia's going to read. So she needs to read. Well, being that you're reading little comics, I'm gonna need you to read like 6 of those instead of 4, because they're small comics, Tia. Okay. Okay.
at least I'm on wait. So, I don't know.
All right. So go ahead. You and Alonzo can start reading. Oh, did he get the batteries?
No, he didn't.
Darn.
Where? Mama! Jeez. Look at her hair sticking out.
Yeah, the kids are watching Royal and Tia was watching Super Saya.
But I was watching Game with Cat.
Well, Tia was watching Gaming with Cav, and then I turned on Super Saya for Royal, so Tia could focus on reading. But then she started watching Super Saya. So, all right, can you tell me about this book, Alonjay?
Yep.
So, what's going on right now?
So somebody passed away.
Who?
I forgot who.
Well, then you didn't pay attention to what you were reading.
Attention.
Can you turn around?
I can. I look nice. But they needed to rain out there where they live at because
Who needs it to rain?
the grandpa.
Okay. Who's grandpa?
Grandpa Joe or something like that.
Whose grandpa is it?
It's the family's grandpa.
The family's grandpa. Okay,
Yeah,
go ahead.
They live out like where a land like it's dark and it's dry.
Okay.
And they said when the leaves fall, they fall like dust. So yeah, they're scared that if it doesn't rain, then their land will just be dry for like.
Then their like crops and stuff won't grow.
They don't have a garden.
Okay, so what are they doing?
They're out there and they can't think about somebody because if they think about those people, then they turn sad around.
You have a hole showing right there on the road. Don't lose your spot. Put a bookmark there. Okay?
Yeah.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
It's cold. Is the heat
Papa
on?
doesn't have a name.
Who?
Papa doesn't have a name.
Oh. Is it cold? Is the heat on?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. All right. Done.
Turn it up.
This is not
freezing.
bookmark. It's already going 84. This is not
Oh.
bookmark, so no. See, you're not even done.
So I am.
All right,
know
tell us
my
about
last
your
two
book.
pages.
Tell us about your book.
What?
Tell us about your book.
Really?
Yes. What's going on?
So there was a So there's
Thank
these
you.
like boys, and I think they like.
Are they Chinese?
Yeah. Well, I don't know a Chinese. And there's this like demon or some like person who's trying to kill them, but it's he's big and tall, and he destroyed I forgot the it was like a grandpa.
Did you just make that up?
No.
Because she said something about a grandfather.
There is a grandpa there.
Grandpa.
Well, grandpa dead. I think it's a grandpa. And because the grandpa had a shop, and the killer ever tried to smash it.
Smash what?
The shop.
Oh, Longie, can you take some of that stuff upstairs?
Yes.
Okay, so what are they doing about it?
No, they're just fighting and
So who's winning?
what? No, it's not like a fighting competition. And like the demon or whatever. It's not a demon. I don't know. Oh, the killer wants to kill the 3 boys and the one.
I should, you know what I should do? Won't y'all grab some of that stuff and go put it away? The stuff that's on the table. I'm thinking, should I? Like, I got them reading 4 pages. I told them they got to read 4 pages a day. But I'm thinking I should just have like a time like where they read for like a half an hour. What do y'all think? Should I do it like that, or because I want them to be focused on what they're doing. I don't want to tell them like read 4 pages and they're like reading through it super fast so they can hurry up and go do something else.
I read 5 pages.
Oh, well, that's wonderful.
Oh, I read more than 5. I read.
Well, you're reading a comic book, so.
No, I read.
Let me know if y'all think I should have the kids read a few pages, or if I should just tell them to like read for a certain amount of time. I'm not sure how I want to do this, but yeah, just give me some suggestions on how I should do this reading thing with them. And yeah, so I want to say I'm thankful and grateful for everybody that takes time out their day to look at my video. And I would like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. And I am going to be doing a giveaway once I get to 200 subscribers. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe to my Instagram, which it is the same name. It's Satia's Crazy Life. And my Twitter is also Satia's Crazy Life. Thanks for watching. Bye.